Hi everyone, this is your OVI Master and Training Specialist, Perry Tapales, and I'm here to present to you our SealPro Mastery. Orvis Victus International is a subsidiary of our company AIM Global Group that offers an amazing product that can cover you kapag may aksidente nangyari sa iyo through our SealPro product. Accident insurance is what we are offering to our community and to our members at sa buong guest na pwedeng mapakover at maging protected ng ating produkto. Ano nga ba talaga ang insurance? So many Filipinos ang hindi pa aware sa ganda ng insurance, para kayo ng insurance, at bakit kailangan mong kumuha ng insurance. In fact, according to the data and studies, 30% of Filipinos sa buong bansa ang aware sa kagandahan ng insurance. And a total of 10 to 15% ang siguradong may coverage, whether it's a life insurance, accident insurance, or any form of insurance. Kaya let's talk about ano ba talaga ang insurance. Now, insurance is a legal agreement between two parties. Dalawang tao ang may kasunduan when we talk about insurance. The insurer or yung taong nag-i-insure sa mga bibili ng kanyang produkto at mapoproteksyonan ng kanilang ino-offer na produkto, at ng insured, yung taong bumili ng produkto na insurance. Now, in our case, we are offering our wonderful product na SealPro, at kapag ikaw bumili nito, you will be insured by our amazing product. At ang Orvis Victus International and our partner na Stronghold will be the insurer to protect you in any case na may aksidenteng mangyari sa iyo. And bakit mo ba kailangan ng insurance? Because when we talk about insurance, dapat ito ay pinoproteksyonan ka from future financial losses. Ang pinaka nangyayari sa napakaraming Pilipino, kaya maraming pamilya ang nauuwi sa bankruptcy, maraming mga Pilipino ang nababaon sa utang kapag may mga sudden accident, unwanted accident, at lalong-lalo na kung wala kang bagay na nakaprepare, wala kang budget na nakalaan, at wala kang emergency funds sa mga bagay na nangyayari na ganito. Kaya nabebenta ang mga properties, naisasanla ang mga bagay sa bahay, at yung mga pinaghirapan mo at pinag-ipunan, unti-unting nauubos para may paggamot at maibigay sa mga tao na naaksidente sa ating pamilya. That's why napaka-importante ng insurance, because through insurance, hindi ka mag-iisa when something happened to you, especially aksidente. Because nandito ang Orvis Victus International through our SealPro product, mapoproteksyonan ka natin. At kapag pinag-usapan ng insurance, marahil yung iba ngayon lang naririnig. Yung iba naman, hindi sila pamilyar sa mga terminologies na ito. But did you know, noon pa man, ginagawa at pinapractice na natin ito. There are similar things that we do as Filipinos na kamukha ang kagawian sa insurance na benepisyo na pwede mo makuha. Isang halimbawa, lahat tayo siguro naka-experience na tinatawag natin na paluwagan. Yes, paluwagan. From your high school days to college days hanggang sa nakapagtrabaho ka, even now, baka yung iba sa inyo nagpapaluwagan pa rin. Why? Because sa paluwagan system, with your little amount of money na ibinibigay mo sa buong grupo na nagkasunduan sa paluwagan, you can end up getting a lump sum of money na mas malaki dun sa kinontribute mo. And that is similar to what we do dito sa insurance. Because sa insurance, hindi naman malaki ang binibigay mo or inilalabas mo sa produktong binibili mo. But when something happened to you, you are protected as much as 500,000, 1,000,000, 2 million, at ang pinakamalaking protection mo sa ating personal accident insurance ay aabot ng 3 million pesos. And one more thing, ang mga Pilipino, sanay na sanay tayo to give back, to provide comfort, especially support sa mga kakilala, kaibigan, or mismo yung mga hindi natin kakilala na kumakatok sa ating mga tahanan, asking for abuloy pag may mga taong pumapanaw o nawawala sa ating community. Kakatok sa bahay natin, magbibigay ng puting sobre, asking for abuloy, kahit hindi mo nga kamag-anak, nagbibigay tayo. Diba? Because as Filipinos, we love to give at tayo ay matulungin. Now, same thing with insurance. Kapag ikaw ay protected ng ating produkto and something happened dun sa taong covered, hindi ka lang makaka-receive ng lump sum na personal accident insurance coverage mo, magkaka-receive ka pa ng ating tinatawag na burial assistance na pwedeng makatulong sa pagpapalibing sa mga taong nawala gawa ng aksidente at basta ikaw ay protected ng ating Silpro, may benepisyo ka pang ganyang makukuha. There are so many types of insurance po na pwede nyong makuha or pwede nyong makita. Like health insurance, life insurance, motorcycle insurance, house insurance, fire insurance at marami pang iba. But ang Orbis Victus International ay nakafocus po tayo sa tinatawag natin na accident insurance, which means the basic requirement for your claims, the basic requirements para makareceive ka ng benefits sa iyong insurance is upon accident. Kailangan aksidente ang pangunahing mangyari para mag-activate ang iyong insurance at makareceive ka ng mga benefits nito. At ano ba ang main purpose? Bakit kailangan mo mag-insurance? To divide the risk kung sakaling may mangyari sa iyo. Bakit? Kapag wala kang insurance, ikaw ang sole na naglalabas, gumagastos at nag-shoulder ng lahat ng expenses sa mga aksidenteng nangyayari. Whether it's a hospital bill, whether it's a death expense, pagpapalibing, at kung ano pang other factors na pagkakagastosan. Ikaw lahat ang maglalabas. 100% of the risk nasa sa iyo. Or should we say, sa pamilyang may iwan mo. But with Orbis Victus International, kapag covered ka ng ating Silpro, hindi ikaw ang mag-isang gagastos because you are covered by our product na napakaganda na gusto kong i-share sa iyo. Orbis Victus International is derived from 3 words combined together. First is Orbis, which means a Latin word na compass that symbolizes guidance to the right direction. XV, because it's a numerical symbol that represents number 15, where Orbis Victus International was launched during our 15th year anniversary ng ating company. And Victus, which means Latin terminology of life, victory, and success. And in Orbis Victus International, we have this saying that in everything we do, we think of you. Now, through AIM Global Group of Companies and Orbis Victus International, we came in partner with one of the strong, stable, and good company that provides protection sa buong Pilipinas for the last 65 long years. And that is Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated. Now, last December 7, 2022, we had the signing of agreement between Orbis Victus International and Stronghold. And our partner, isa sa pinakamatatag na company in the Philippines for the last 65 years. In fact, it was incorporated on March 21, 1990, a wholly owned Filipino non-life insurance company with license to market all types of insurance. They are top 10 among 57 non-life insurance companies as of 2021 based on the latest ranking of non-life insurance companies. And they are top 3 out of 57 non-life insurance companies dito po sa Pilipinas. And when we talk about their partners, major clients ang kanilang kapartner dito sa Pilipinas. Now, what separates Orbis Victus International to the traditional and existing insurance companies in the Philippines? Let me introduce to you the word InsurTech. Now, InsurTech is a combination of insurance plus technology, which means mas pinadali ang pag-i-insure, mas pinadali ang insurance, mas pinadali na maprotektahan ka kahit nasaan ka man sa Pilipinas. And with InsurTech, napakaganda ng ating services because it is convenient, very user-friendly, availability and accessibility all throughout the market, simple and easy to use, intelligent and fully digital, cloud-based technology, more secured customer data kasi hindi na tayo gumagamit ng mga paper. It is paperless transaction at digital lahat ng copy ng inyong transaction and inyong coverage. Powered by artificial intelligence, and lastly, improves customer experience. Dahil everything is digital, hindi ka na kailangan pumila pa ng napakahaba. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa opisina just to be covered and protected by our Orbis Victus International. With just your cell phone, your laptop, or your tablet, plus the power of the internet. With our InsurTech, pwede ka na ma-protected through our Silpro product. Introducing Seal Pro or self-empowered asset and life protection product ng Orbis Victus International. First is the Silpro Bronze with personal accident coverage of 500,000 pesos. It also has total permanent disability of 500,000 pesos. Meron din niyang kasamang unprovoked murder and assault up to 125,000 pesos, medical reimbursement up to 100,000 pesos, daily cash assistance up to 1,000 pesos per day for 10 days, at burial assistance up to 25,000 pesos. Now, our Bronze Silpro ay very much affordable for only 3,150 for 1 whole year protection na yan. Now, if you count it in a monthly basis, that is only 262 pesos and 50 cents per month. And that is only 8 pesos and 75 cents on a daily basis para maproteksyonan ka sa ating Bronze Silpro product. Now, next product is the Platinum Silpro. With our Platinum, your personal accident coverage is up to 1 million pesos. Total permanent disability of 1 million pesos. Unprovoked murder and assault, 250,000 pesos. Medical reimbursement up to 200,000 pesos. Daily cash assistance of 2,000 pesos per day, maximum for 10 days. And for burial assistance, up to 50,000 pesos naman ang pwede mong makuha. Now, our Platinum Silpro ay 4,750 pesos lamang for 1 whole year protection. Approximately 395 pesos per month and only 13 pesos per day. Protected ka na with 1 million personal accident coverage insurance. And to all our brothers and sisters, mga kabayan na nasa ibang bansa, including yung mga kabayan natin na magta-travel or umiikot sa buong Pilipinas, let me share to you our Kabayan Silpro. Repatriation benefit value, you can bring home yung mga na-aksidente sa ibang bansa, pauwi ng Pilipinas, hanggang halagang 1 million pesos ang pwede mong magamit. And for the Filipinos, brothers and sisters, na ma-aksidente naman within the Philippines, you can still maximize our repatriation benefit value kung ikaw ay na-aksidente malayo sa inyong tahanan. Basta, ang distance ay aabot ng 125 kilometers or more. Then, pwedeng maiuwi ang labi ng taong namatay sa aksidente pauwi sa kanilang tahanan nang wala pong babayaran because meron kang value na 1 million pesos for repatriation services na ipoprovide ng ating produkto sa iyo. Now, with Orbis Victus International, you can be covered 500,000 pesos through our Bronze, 1 million pesos through our Platinum Silpro product, 2 million pesos for our Double Platinum, and maximum of 3 million pesos for our Triple Platinum product, Silpro. Now, as I've said in the very beginning, ang insurance is a legal agreement between two parties, insurer and insured. And once you buy at i-cover mo yung sarili mo through our Silpro product, makaka-receive ka ng ating tinatawag na contract of agreement or in other words, called policy. But in Orbis Victus International, since we are offering our InsurTech product, ang ma-receive mo hindi in paper, kundi electronic policy. At ito ang itsura na ma-receive mo na electronic policy. Now, let's dig deep. Ano ba yung nilalaman ng policy mo or yung agreement mo between Orbis Victus International and Stronghold? Let's talk about the table of contents sa loob ng inyong policy. First, the accidental death and permanent disablement. Second, unprovoked murder and assault. Third, medical reimbursement. Fourth, daily cash assistance. And fifth, yung inyong burial benefit. For accidental death and dismemberment and permanent disablement, here are the things you need to know. naman sa total permanent disability at personal accident insurance, it highly depend kung ano yung aksidente or degree ng aksidente na nangyari sa iyo. Now, isa-isahin natin. For total loss of life, automatic 100% of the principal sum ang makukuha mo. For loss of both hands or all fingers and both thumbs, 100% of the principal sum ang makukuha mo. For loss of both feet, 100% of the principal sum ang makukuha mo. For loss of sight of both eyes, 100% of the principal sum. Now, para naman sa mga accident na hindi parehas ang nawala, hindi parehas ang aksidente, or may mga ilan lamang sa katawan mo ang na-disable, na-dismember, or naputol gawa ng aksidente, here are the percentage na nakapaloob dito. Loss of arm at or below elbow, 70% of the principal sum. Arms between elbow and wrist, 60% of the principal sum. One hand, 50% of the principal sum. Four fingers and thumb of one hand, 42.5% of the principal sum. Now, para naman sa ating mga daliri, kung sakaling isa, dalawa, or higit pa ang naputol gawa ng aksidente, ito naman ang mga percentage na nakapaloob dito. Loss of four fingers, 35% of the principal sum. Loss of thumb, 15%. Loss of index finger, 10%. Loss of the middle finger, 6%. Loss of ring finger, 5%. Loss of little finger, or we call it the pinky finger, 4%. Now, meron lang po tayong ikaklaro when it comes sa putol ng bawat daliri. Kapag ang putol naman ay sa daliri po nangyari, these are the things that you need to know. Kailangan ang bawat putol or yung putol na nangyari po sa inyong mga daliri ay aabot dito po sa unang guhit ng inyong mga daliri. Yes, you heard me right. Dapat po aabot dito. At pag hindi po umabot sa unang guhit ng inyong daliri, hindi po siya mako-cover as total permanent disability with percentage corresponding sa daliri na naputol. Now, let's go to lower extremities naman. Kapag ang nawala naman ay from the legs below, may mga percentage din na nakapaloob dyan. Loss of leg at or above the knee, 60%. Loss of leg below the knee, 50%. Loss of foot, 50%. Loss of all toes of one foot, 15%. Loss of big toe or hinlalaki, 5%. Loss of any toes other than the big toe, 1% each naman ang katumbas. And when it comes sa loss of sight, pero one eye lang ang affected, 50% of the principal sum. Loss of hearing, kapag dalawang tenga or pandinig ang nawala, 50%. Kapag isang tenga naman ang nawala ng pandinig or hearing, 25%. At kung ikaw naman ay maaksidente, walang naputol, walang nawala, pero you left totally paralyzed, 100% pa rin ng principal sum ang makukuha mong benepisyo. Now let's discuss the unprovoked murder and assault. For unprovoked murder and assault, kapag ikaw ay naka-bronze, you are entitled 125,000 for unprovoked murder and assault. Kapag ikaw naman ay naka-platinum, 250,000 ang value ng unprovoked murder and assault. But take note, unprovoked murder and assault occurs without any identifiable cause or justification. Hindi mo pinrovoke, wala kayong history ng away, at wala kayong altercation that causes the murder na nangyari sa pagkawalan ng buhay ng isang tao. Para naman sa medical reimbursement, these are the normal things na nagiging benefit sa ating coverage for minor accidents. Accident na hindi naman nag-cause ng iyong buhay, accident na hindi rin nag-cause ng any disability or putol sa parte ng iyong katawan, but you are injured, may ginastos ka, at may mga bagay ka na ginamit para pagalingin ang iyong sarili due to the accident na nangyari sa iyo. Dito na papasok ang medical reimbursement para sa iyo. Para sa lahat ng covered ng ating Bronze Seal Pro, meron kang hanggang 100,000 for your medical reimbursement. Para naman sa mga naka-platinum, meron kang hanggang 200,000 na medical reimbursement na pwedeng gamitin sa isang buong taon. Minor accident that may include vehicular accident, motorcycle accident, yung mga nadulas at na-injure ang kanilang katawan, yung mga nagkaroon ng paso na accident ang pangyayari, including yung mga kagat ng alaga ninyong mga aso, pusa, or even the other animals na aksidente naman ang pangyayari. Tandaan, you are only given 30 days to file, to report yung aksidente nangyari sa iyo. Whether it's minor or major accident, kailangang mai-report po yan. Hindi naman kailangan na ikaw mismong na-aksidente ang magre-report. Your parents, your brothers, o kamag-anak, o kung sino man yung nagbenta or nag-endorse sa iyo ng ating Silpro product, can also report on your behalf. Basta ang importante ay mai-report ng aksidenteng nangyari within 30 given days from the date of the accident. At kapag ikaw naman ay nakapag-file, nakapag-report na ng aksidenteng nangyari sa iyo, you are given 90 days. 90 days para makompleto naman ang mga requirements na ibibigay sa iyo. Now, requirements may vary depending on the accident na nangyari. Para naman ang pagpaprocess ng iyong claim ay magtuloy-tuloy basta makompleto mo ang requirements na isinabit or ibinigay sa iyo. Now, for daily cash assistance, ito po ay ibinibigay na benepisyo sa ating Silpro product kung ikaw ay na-aksidente at ni-require ka na magpahinga. Whether na ikaw ay nagpahinga sa hospital or ikaw po ay nagpahinga sa inyong bahay lamang, you can be qualified sa ating daily cash assistance. Kung ikaw ay naka-bronze, you have 1,000 pesos for daily cash assistance. Maximum yan hanggang 10 araw. Kung ikaw naman ay naka-platinum, you have 2,000 pesos for daily cash assistance. Maximum naman din yan ay hanggang 10 araw. Ito ay pwede mong makuha basta ikaw ay bibigyan ng medical certificate from your attending doctor to prove na ikaw ay pinagpapahinga for a certain period of days. Kung ikaw ay na-confine sa hospital, pwede mo magamit ang daily cash assistance up to 10 days. Maximum ng 10 days ang pwede mong makuha dito sa daily cash assistance. Kung ikaw naman ay na-aksidente at kailangang magpahinga, pero ang recommendation ng iyong attending doctor ay magpahinga sa iyong bahay, pwede mong makuha ang daily cash assistance, maximum naman nito hanggang 3 araw. At sa lahat ng mga magkiklaim ng ating daily cash assistance, siguraduhin lamang na makakapag-submit ka ng medical recommendation from the attending physician na ikaw talaga ay pinagpapahinga with a specific number of days. And lastly, burial assistance. Ito naman ay ibinibigay sa ating mga partners at covered ng ating Silpro product. Kapag ikaw ay naka-bronze, up to 25,000 ang pwede mong makuha na burial assistance. Kapag ikaw naman ay naka-platinum, hanggang 50,000 naman ang burial assistance na pwede mong makuha. But take note, ito po ay hanggang 25,000 hanggang 50,000 lamang. Hindi po pwedeng sumobra, hindi po pwedeng lumabis. At kung ikaw naman ay magkiklaim ng burial benefit, siguraduhin lamang na makakapag-submit ka ng burial receipt or mga ginastos sa pagpapalibing para yun ang maibabalik sa iyo sa ating tinatawag na burial benefit. And sa lahat ng ating miyembro ng ating community, whether you are covered by bronze or platinum, here are the guidelines and exclusion for your reference. At ito naman ang mga pangunahing requirements na kinakailangan mong i-produce at i-submit para mag-process ang iyong claim sa Orbis Victus International. finally, sa lahat ng miyembro ng ating community, kung ano man pong mangyaring aksidente, make sure to notify at mai-report mo kaagad. And how do you do that? Just message this number. And finally, lahat ng members ng ating community, kung ano man ang mangyari po sa inyong aksidente, sa kakilala, sa kaibigan, kamag-anak, or sa bumili ng ating Silpro product mula sa inyo, don't hesitate. You are given 30 days to file, to notify. Just make sure to report it and notify sa ating OVI claims, Viber, and hotline number. And for more information, more updates, at mas marami pang kaalaman sa Orbis Victus International, you can join our community para makatanggap ka ng daily updates para mas maraming kaalaman at information sa Orbis Victus International. Again, this is your OVI Master, Perry Tapales. Wish you all the best. God bless everyone and more power.